Hello, welcome back to my channel, everyone. This is Raider Fokio. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today we are gonna cook peanut soup. Yes. Sorry, I forget to tell you guys about the blend. So I put fresh tomato, pepper, ginger, garlic, onion. I blend all of them together and then I put it in the meat. Don't forget to check the description and then I'll put what I blend under so you can read and it will help you to know what I did. Okay, I'm so sorry I didn't put it in, but don't forget to check the description. It will be there. Excuse me, why you hit the door? You hit your door on this.